Okay, so this is a bit of a channel update. This is the Wrigley Blue Pig. The bottom bracket's all done. It's got these Bergtech grips on here. Blue top cap and some other bits and pieces. Everything works on here. Bottom bracket's been done. Haven't done the derailleur because it needs a SRAM derailleur, really. It does work up okay-ish with the Shimano one, shockingly. Works in all gears, but the last one's a bit finicky, but it will go in there. Which I'm quite surprised about. I didn't think it would work at all, but apparently it does. So, hey, if it works, it works. And also, the cost of these derailleurs, these SRAM ones lately, seems to be about 30 quid on eBay. Used, people are asking for reasonable ones. I'm like, nah. Just no, I'm not paying that. Decathlon's shut. They're 24 quid brand new from Decathlon, but they're not open. I could wait online, but that's a pain in the backside, especially at the moment. And someone's offered me something reasonable for this anyway, so it's going today. Quite a nice bike. Has a bit of a dent in the frame there, as you can see. But being steel, I don't think it's going to affect it too much unless you do something really crazy. The only thing they might want to change is the stem for a shorter one, and maybe upgrade these handlebars from the cheapo Wake ones to something a bit nicer. But you know, it's all there. So yeah, what's going on with the channel? I'm getting a GoPro Hero 7 Silver rather. So it's a 7 Silver, which should be pretty good. So we should have videos in 4K, 30 frames per second, which will be cool. Just got a few graphics cards and bits and pieces because I'm going to have to be editing those videos. And from what I understand, that's going to be a lot of compute power and a lot more time exporting the video file. So yeah, that'll be cool though. Much better than this potato I'm filming on right now. This is a Canon. What's this? Nigeria? I don't know how you say it, but yeah, it's reasonable. 1080p 60, but the GoPro's 4K, so that'd be awesome. Well, if you've got a 4K monitor, it'll be awesome. If you haven't, well, you know, it'll still be better anyway. So yeah, there's an electric scooter, of course, project in the works. There's a C5. I need a big bottle of welding gas really to finish off the C5 because those little ones just don't last long enough. I've ordered all the metal and stuff like that, so we're all good as far as that's concerned. It's all completely stripped down, ready to go, and yeah. So that should be a brilliant project. That'd be great fun. After the lockdown, we can take that out to the airfield and give it a test run. That's the MAF scooter. Yeah, don't know if you know about the last video, the MAF motor. I ordered a MAF motor and it didn't turn up. I ordered a MY1020 and it did turn up. Well, I ordered two of them, one's for the C5 and one's for something else. And I just had a hunch that I wouldn't get the other motor. I don't know why. They always seem to pick me to pick on. It seems like they sort of decide not to send certain sellers things looking at their feedback. They'll have a bout of bad feedback for a while. Almost like they know they can get away with it. So I don't know how they faked the shipping information to eBay, but they did. So you know, yeah, give that video a like, and yeah, hopefully they'll refund me now they've seen that posted a YouTube video. You never know. Anyway, I'm rambling on a bit here about that, but I did find what the MY1020 motor in the scooter. It fits the same. It just you don't use the same bracket. You flip it upside down and you mount the bolts through the chassis. And yeah, I tried it and it wheelied. Like, I mean, I didn't have a back brake on there initially. I thought, oh, it won't be that fast on 48 volts. I'll just give it a go at the back. 2000 watt motor, shunt bodied controller, and she just pulled. It just wheelied like crazy. I nearly threw me in the air. So that was interesting. The forks were dead on the scooter though, so I cut the head tube off of it and welded another one on. But yeah, that's a video to see later on. I've got to tighten these grips down, but then we're all good. Right, that concludes this video. Next time you see me, I might be on the GoPro Hero 7. See you later.